Hello, I am LeacaYoung and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay, so I wanted to do a new series where I gathered 3 things that I haven't used in a while to create in a junk journal, in my journal writing journal, in any journal, just any kind of creating in a journal though. And so some of these things I have used, but some of these things I haven't used in a while. So one of them is a Stabilo Woody. The other is, because this is new, it's a new postage. It's a postage punch. Ooh, I usually make my own. I thought, well, let's try let's try one of these. So I have that. The other thing is my mini collage stencils. And what I love about these is there are so many. This is probably a double set in here, but like there are so many different dolls to choose from. And so I really like this. And then let's put this back away here. Oh my goodness. So that's 3. So I tried to at least shoot for 3, but I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to try to incorporate here. Oh, I got 2 sets in here, and that's why this is becoming difficult to slide in there. But anyways, I get these clear envelopes and I just label them. And then what happens is that whenever I have extras, I put them in here so I can use an extra or I can create with these. So I'm pulling them both out just to see what I decide to use. So I'm gonna put that to the side here. I'm gonna put this to the side. And then this is something I do all the this is something I do all the time, is watercolor on vintage papers. So I have a stash of them and they're getting kind of, there's a lot in here. I thought maybe I could use some of them. I have this old book that I have painted in as well. Have just like little paintings that I could maybe cut these out and use them if I wanted to, or have these, but I kind of keep this all together. So I have that. Of course, some scratch vintage papers. And then I did, for my 100-day project, I did 100 hearts, collage hearts, and I've done a video on how to create these, and I'll leave that in the comments as well, but you can just search and find it in my feed. But anyways, I wanted to use up some of these collage hearts that I pre-cut out to do my project, and just didn't use. And I saved these thingies too because I thought they might be fun. So anyways, so I am going to create on this page. And also, so I got some pins. I have some stamp and dauber, like applicators to use with the stamp pads, which I have the Tim Holtz stamp pads. I have some adhesive and some, so I have glue stick adhesive and some masking tape. I do have my watercolors and my watercolor brushes if I want to do something that way. I'm just kind of throwing a bunch of stuff out here that might be useful for me. So my goal is to only use what I have here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to only use what I have here. So let's see if I can do it. This is what I'm calling a creative comeback, trying to pull, because I have all these supplies that I never use and I kind of want to reinvent them. And so I would challenge you to like pull 3 to 5 supplies that you haven't used in a while and incorporate them in a layout. So if you do this, tag me. I would love to see what you do. All right, let's get into it.